This is how to create a Discord account on your phone. So let's get started. The first step is to install the Discord app. So you can do this from the Play Store or the App Store if you're using iPhone. So I've come to the Play Store and I'll just search for Discord. And this is the app you have to install. So once it's installed, just open it. And then you'll reach this page. So since you don't have an account, you have to select register. And then you have two ways to register. One is with your phone number, or else you can use your email ID to register. For now, I'll use my email ID. So just type it in, click on next. Then you have to enter your name, but this isn't your username. Once that's done, click on next. And here we have to enter our username and password. So the username you pick must be unique. So in this box, you can keep entering usernames and checking if they're available. After that, enter your password and click on next. Then you have to enter your birth date and then select create account to create one. And now our account is created. If you want to invite your friends, you can do that. For now, I'll skip it. Then if you want to set your profile picture, you can do that from here. Again, I'll just skip all of this for now. And now it's done. Our account has been created. So if you click on this account on the top left, then this is the messages page. And from here, we can send messages and add friends. And then if you click on the icon below, from here, we can join a server or create our own. And then if you click on your account below, you have all the settings related to your account. So this is basically how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.